What about you folks, it's Lee here. I'm back with something a little different today. This is my family's chocolate ice cream recipe that we've been making, well, I've said 35 years, but I think it's possibly 40 years. There's very few ingredients in this. It's whipping cream, Bournville chocolate, water, castor sugar and egg yolks. Now if you're pregnant, I would suggest you don't make this because the eggs aren't cooked into custard. They are heated up in the sugar syrup, but it's still not cooked. So just to be on the safe side, if you're pregnant, please don't use it. You need to get everything ready for this very quickly. So you need to have your cream whipped, your chocolate chopped, because once the sugar syrup is made, this goes very, very quickly. So as I said, it's very simple ingredients. You don't need an awful lot here. There are the 12 egg yolks. Keep your egg whites for pavlova. You can freeze those, they keep really well. And then we need 700 grams of Bournville chocolate. So it's dark chocolate. You need it to be dark chocolate for the richness. Chop that up into small pieces. And you're going to put that into your food processor, but just leave it for now. You don't have to chop it up or anything. Just put your chocolate in there and just leave it to the side. We're then going to whip our whipping cream. There's a lot of whipping cream, 1,136 grams of cold whipping cream. So you need to whip this into stiff peaks. Just keep an eye on this because you don't want to make butter. You see the consistency there, it's whipped into stiff peaks. And then I put that in a big bowl. Now you need a very, very big bowl for this ice cream. Okay, it's onto the sugar syrup. So you need 214 grams of room temperature or cold water and then 230 grams of castor sugar. Now give this a good swish about to dissolve the sugar into the water before you heat it. This is it just before it goes on to the heat. I've tried to dissolve it in the water as much as possible and you can see it sort of looks clear whenever it's dissolved. So put that onto your onto your cooker and put it on a medium-high heat. And you need to bring it up to a rolling boil and then set your timer for 3 minutes. And as soon as those 3 minutes are up, get your food processor on and it starts to chop the chocolate, and then you stream in your boiling hot sugar syrup and that melts the chocolate. You see here it makes a nice smooth like chocolate liqueur. And then you stream in your egg yolks. So it does technically heat up the eggs, so I assume that's why it's safe enough for us. We have had this and never had a problem over the 40 years we've been eating it. And then you just put that into your whipped cream and you just fold it in, and that's your ice cream. You don't need an ice cream machine, you don't need to take it out and fluff it up or anything in the freezer. This is just it. You just put it into containers, stick it in your freezer, and that's ready to go. And it makes over 3 litres. This is a lot of ice cream. I have a very big family. And that's it. That's the chocolate ice cream, folks. I hope you like this tutorial. Not really a tutorial, I suppose, more of a recipe. Please give me a thumbs up as it helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'll speak to you all soon. Toodles noodles, bye!